بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
يا أيها النبي إذا طلقتم النساء فطلقوهن لعدتهن وأحصوا العدة واتقوا الله ربكم لا تخرجوهن من بيوتهن ولا يخرجن إلا أن يأتين بفاحشة مبينة وتلك حدود الله ومن يتعد حدود الله فقد ظلم نفسه لا تدري لعل الله يحدث بعد ذلك أمرا.
O Prophet, when you divorce women, divorce them for their waiting period, and compute the waiting period accurately, and hold Allah your Lord in awe. Do not turn them out of their homes during the waiting period, nor should they go away from their homes unless they have committed a manifestly evil deed. Such are the bounds set by Allah, and he who transgresses the bounds set by Allah commits a wrong against himself. You do not know. Maybe Allah will cause something to happen to pave the way for reconciliation.
فإذا بلغن أجلهن فأمسكوهن بمعروف أو فارقوهن بمعروف وأشهدوا ذوي عدل منكم وأقيموا الشهادة لله ذلكم يوعظ به من كان يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر ومن يتق الله يجعل له مخرجا.
And when they reach the end of their term of waiting, then either honorably retain them in the bond of wedlock or honorably part with them, and call two persons of known probity as witnesses from among yourselves, and let these witnesses give upright testimony for the sake of Allah. That is, to what all those that believe in Allah and the last day are exhorted. Allah will find a way out for him who fears Allah.
وَيَرْزُقُهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بَالِغُ أَمْرِهِ قَدْ جَعَلَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدْرًا.
And will provide him sustenance from whence he never even imagined. Whoever puts his trust in Allah, he shall suffice him. Surely Allah brings about what he decrees. Allah has set a measure for everything.
واللائي يئسن من المحيض من نسائكم إن ارتبتم فعدتهن 3 أشهر واللائي لم يحضن وأولاة الأحمال أجلهن أن يضعن حملهن ومن يتق الله يجعل له من أمره يسرا.
The waiting period of those of your women who have lost all expectation of menstruation shall be 3 months in case you entertain any doubt, and the same shall apply to those who have not yet menstruated. As for pregnant women, their waiting period shall be until the delivery of their burden. Allah will create ease for him who fears Allah.
ذلك أمر الله أنزله
This is the commandment of Allah that He has revealed to you. Whoever fears Allah, He will expunge his evil deeds and will richly reward him.
أسكنوهن من حيث سكنتم من وجدكم ولا تضاروهن لتضيقوا عليهن وإن كن أولات حمل فأنفقوا عليهن حتى يضعن حملهن فإن أرضعن لكم فآتوهن أجورهن وأتمروا بينكم بمعروف وإن تعاسرتم فسترضع له أخرى.
During the waiting period, lodge them according to your means, wherever you dwell, and do not harass them to make them miserable. And if they are pregnant, provide for them maintenance until they have delivered their burden. And if they suckle your offspring, whom they bore you, then give them due recompense and graciously settle the question of compensation between yourselves by mutual understanding. But if you experience difficulty in determining the compensation for suckling, then let another woman suckle the child.
لينفق ذو سعة من سعته ومن قدر عليه رزقه فلينفق مما آتاه الله لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا ما آتاها سيجعل الله بعد عسر يسرا.
Whoever has abundant means, let him spend according to his means, and he whose means are straitened, let him spend out of what Allah has given him. Allah does not burden any human being beyond the means that He has bestowed upon him. Possibly, Allah will grant ease after hardship.
وكأي من قرية عتت عن أمر ربها ورسله فحاسبناها حسابا شديدا وعذبناها عذابا نكرا.
How many towns rebelled against the commandment of their Lord and His messengers. Then we called them to a stern accounting and subjected them to a harrowing chastisement.
فذاقت وبال أمرها وكان عاقبة أمرها خسرا.
So they tasted the evil fruit of their deeds, and the fruit of their deeds was utter loss.
أعد الله لهم عذابا شديدا فاتقوا الله يا أولي الألباب الذين آمنوا قد أنزل الله إليكم ذكرا.
Allah has laid in store for them a grievous chastisement. So fear Allah, O people of understanding, who have attained to faith. Allah has sent down to you an exhortation.
رسولا يتلو عليكم آيات الله مبينات ليخرج الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات من الظلمات إلى النور ومن يؤمن بالله ويعمل صالحا يدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا قد أحسن الله له رزقا.
a messenger who rehearses to you Allah's verses that clearly expound the guidance, so that he may bring out those that believe and act righteously from every kind of darkness into light. He will admit whosoever believes in Allah and acts righteously to gardens beneath which rivers flow. They shall abide in them forever. For such has Allah made an excellent provision.
الله الذي خلق 7 سماوات ومن الأرض مثلهن يتنزل الأمر بينهن لتعلموا أن الله على كل شيء قدير وأن الله قد أحاط بكل شيء علما.
Allah, it is He who created 7 heavens and like them the earth. His commandment descends among them. All this is being stated so that you know that Allah has power over everything and that Allah encompasses all things in His knowledge.